Top 3 Epilators for Eyebrows. VG Bogcrest Rechargeable Eyebrow Trimmer and Facial Hair Remover for Women.
I'm going to give you instructions for changing out the heads on the Bogcrest 2-in-1 hair remover. First, notice on the inside rim of the head, there are 2 notches, opposite from one another, here and here. You'll notice 2 notches on the inside of the shaver as well, right here and right here. Let's take a look at these notches from a different angle. See? Here and here. All you have to do is line up those notches when placing the shaver head onto the shaver. You may need to twist a little bit to get it to click inside the notch, and once you get it fitted inside, just give it a firm twist in an upward motion to lock it in place. You will hear a little snapping sound. Now, you can use the shaver. Let's go over how to remove this head and install the other head. You will take it off the same way you put it on. Just twist it in a downwards motion and it will come right off. Install the other head by matching up the notches in the same way as before. It's that easy.
A rookie 2-in-1 eyebrow trimmer and facial hair removal for women. 2-in-1 rechargeable eyebrow trimmer. Package list includes 1 eyebrow trimmer, 1 shaver head, 1 brush, 1 USB cable, 1 scissors, 1 manual. Use the trimmer on clean, dry skin. Install the desired attachment head. Turn on the power button. The white LED will turn on. Conforms perfectly to the root of the hair for easy removal. Avoid applying rough pressure on your skin. Use care when trimming areas around the eyes or eyebrows. With non-irritating stainless steel blade, no pulls, redness, nicks and irritation, it is safe and harmless for sensitive skin. 360 degrees all-round trimming design allows a comprehensive and precise capture of all Cafio facial hair removal for women.
Do you struggle with unwanted facial hair with messy brows? Our 2-in-1 hair removal tool makes it easy to remove unwanted hair and groom your brows. Only one convenient device. The gentle and precise head is perfect for delicate areas like the face, while the compact size makes it easy to take on the go. Say goodbye to painful and time-consuming hair removal methods and say hello to gentle, precise, and portable hair removal with our 2-in-1 tool.